Also, Evan, I would say one of the best ways you can just is real simple. Get a mentor, and like I know this is so cliche, and people, oh, get a mentor, yeah. But from when I recently got a mentor, and I've actually been paying him, and the things he's taught me would have taken me, I've had like 6 weeks of calls now, and the things he's taught me in 6 weeks would have taken me over a year and a half, I would say, easily, right? So even if, let's say, for example, you don't want to pay for a mentor, just find one person and just absorb all their content, and don't just watch it, but take notes, meditate on it, think about it, apply it, go back to the drawing board, see what worked, what didn't work. And I think so many people get caught up in just like watching a million different people trying to figure out this secret answer when there is no secret answer. It is, you can go onto YouTube right now and there's videos that are like 50 minutes long on how to set up an agency, right? And they will give you everything you need, but people, they don't apply themselves correctly to make it happen.
Oh, I want to watch this other person's opinion on this. I want to see which one is like actually better at the end of the day. And then there you go. There's a whole week just spending like, when you get, all you have to do is take action for 6 to 7 hours, like just get a domain, get all this sort of stuff, get a few things done, take action for 6 or 7 hours from a 50-minute video. But instead you're going to spend the whole week watching 30 to 50 different people. That's it.